Howdy, gang. Kevin here. Apparently that amuses some people. I don't know why. Everybody always brings it up. Well, several people always bring it up. But, oh well, to each your own. I'm already smoking an Alec Bradley Black Market Vandal. Vandal the Con, actually. And I'm going to hit a little bit of Blade and Bow again. You'll have to excuse me. I'm filthy dirty. I've been working in the shed all day long, trying to get ready for the gathering. Now, those of you who haven't attended the gathering, I suggest you go to Self-Reliance Outfitters YouTube channel and just look at the video from last year, Pathfinder Gathering 2022. And that will explain it better than I could. And I won't be missing stuff. So, go check out that video. Check it out. If you haven't thought about coming to a gathering, go watch that video and tell me you're still not thinking about it. Anyhow. I'm seeing all the stuff float through my feed for Pride Month. I just want to know when straight Pride Month. When's that going to be? We're going to have a pedophilia Pride Month? How about a S&M's Pride Month? We're going to have one of those? Probably not. I don't understand. You know, it used to be bad to be an enabler. But now not only are we supposed to accept everyone's behavior, and I'm not just talking about the pride thing, everyone's behavior, and not only are we supposed to accept it, but we're supposed to celebrate it, and we're supposed to agree with it. I don't understand that. I don't understand it at all. I guess this is going to be the age of the enabler. You know, it used to be bad to be an enabler. In fact, they told you don't be an enabler. Somebody's got a bad habit, don't enable it. Somebody's got an addiction, don't enable it. Somebody's got some other kind of mental health issue, don't enable it. If they've got behavior issues, don't be an enabler. They told us that for years, don't be an enabler. But now I guess we're supposed to be enablers, all of us. I'm going to make this one short tonight. Quite frankly, I'm tired and I still got a lot to do here in the shed. I've been trying to get everything ready to go for the gathering and at the same time get ready for the basic class coming up this weekend. So I'm swamped. Swamped, I tell you. Swamped. I just watched a Buddy Brown video go across my feed a couple of days ago. And I guess this is my the best take I could have on the way things are going nowadays. He said, if you have 100 women and 10 men abandoned on an island, never to be rescued, and you come back to that island 100 years from now, you'll probably have a thriving community of men, women, boys, and girls. But on the other hand, if you have 10 men and 100 trans women, and you go back and check on them in 100 years, you'll find 110 male skeletons. That is all. The Blade and Bow is growing on me. Is that what it is? Blade and Bow? Blade and Bow? Blade and Bow? Yes, Blade and Bow. Not bad. Kind of smooth. All right. And I smoke a lot of these Alec Bradley black markets. I very rarely find the Vandals because a lot of people don't carry them and I don't order them. But it's a good cigar. I like it a lot. So, with that being said, see y'all in the woods. Hope to see a bunch of you at the gathering. Hope to see some of you at the basic class this weekend. That is all. By the way, go over and check out my buddy at Hooks Outdoors. He's coming up with some good videos nowadays. Not that he didn't come up with good videos before. But I encourage y'all to go get over there and check him out. And, like I said, Self-Reliance Outfitters video YouTube channel. Go look at the Pathfinder Gathering 2022 video. See y'all in the woods!